In this video today, I'm going to fit a screen protector from Speedo Angels to this Honda CB650R, so stick around for that. This is a kit here from Speedo Angels. I have fitted these before to my previous bike and they really do a fantastic job at protecting that screen on your motorcycle. Basically, it stops your screen from getting scratched, and in this pack you get 3 of them. So if you make a messy fitting one, you've got another 2. But if you take your time, they're straightforward and they're easy enough to fit. In the kit you'll get your 3 screen protectors. I've chosen the ultra clear ones. You get them in different finishes. If you want the duller version, it takes the shine off the screen, and you also get a little applicator to squeegee the water out. So the first thing you want to do is give the LCD the LCD screen or your TFT screen, whatever you've got, just give it a little clean off so that it's free from dust and fingerprints and what have you. So that's that. Next up, if you get your squeegee ready, so we'll take that out the packet because we'll be using this in just a few minutes. In the packet you'll get your squeegee, you'll get wet wipes to remove dust and grime and what have you, and you'll get these little stickers as well. There's a dust absorber that you would pop on and get the dust off. I know there's no dust on that. And you also get little tabs to use as alignment things to line the screen protector up on the dash like so. So the first thing you want to do obviously is get the dust off it like so, then give it a little spray like so. That'll help the screen protector slide on. Now on this there's 2 numbers. You've got number 1, number 2. So the first thing you want to do is peel off the backing from number 1 like so. Try not to touch the adhesive side because you'll end up with fingerprints on it. Okay, once you've done that, give that a little spray as well like so. That'll help it slide on the TFT screen. I know that it sounds daft that you're putting it on wet, but trust me, it does work. So once you line it up there like so, you want to get your squeegee, then start squeegeeing the water out. Now it will slide about a bit as the water comes out, but just take your time and it'll be fine. Make sure you can just slide it into position just until you've got an even gap all the way around, and then just gently squeegee the water out like so. Once you've done this, I wouldn't use the bike for at least a few hours, if not overnight. That'll let it fully dry, and once it's dry you can barely tell that it's there. Right, that's squeegeed, so I'm just going to wipe off the excess water just to make sure that there is definitely no air bubbles in there. I can see a couple there, so I'll just go over it and push them out slightly. Just to get rid of them. Don't worry if you do have a few air bubbles in it. they normally do disappear after a few days once the screen's been hit by the sunlight and what have you. There we go, that looks good. Maybe one little bubble up in that corner. Right, that's it gone. Now I've got a little tissue here as well to mop up the rest. There we go. Now I'm happy with that. So what I'll do now is I'll carefully peel off the second part. And again, try not to lift the screen like that, like what I've just done. And you can see a big dirty air bubble in there, so I'm just using the microfiber cloth here just so I don't scratch it. I'm just squeezing the rest of the air out. Like so. If you just take your time, you'll do it first time. There we are. Honestly, once these are dry and they're on, providing you fitted them relatively well, you can't tell that they're there. So there we go. That's the screen protector fitted. What little air bubbles are in there, they will disappear. They will go away after a few days. There we are, I'm happy with that now. So there we have it. That's Speedo Angels LCD or TFT screen protectors. I've got 2 spare now, so if they get dirty or scratched, I'll be able to change them quite easily. So to do this job, literally it takes you 2 minutes. Mild soapy water to use as a lubricant so you can move the screen about. Microfiber cloth and a bit of tissue, and it'll take you about 2 minutes. That's us now into the following day. So the Speedo Angels screen protector has had a full 24 hours to fully adhere to the dashboard on the motorcycle, and as you can see there, it's barely noticeable. If you didn't know that it had a screen protector fitted to it, you would be none the wiser. So there we have it. That's a screen protector from Speedo Angels fitted to the motorcycle, and now I've got complete peace of mind that if that was to get scratched or dirty or what have you, it's only going to take 2 seconds or a few minutes to change the sacrificial screen protector and the screen behind it is going to be fully protected. Well guys, that's all for this video. If you have liked it, if you could hit that thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed, maybe think about hitting the subscribe button, because there will be more content coming up on the channel. Anyway, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.